Done. Lease option agreement, heads of terms, signed, sealed, and delivered. That's how we do it. We go in with documents, pen, and we get shit done, right? This is what we do. I always teach my students, when you go to viewings, always go with your documents ready with the intention of closing the deal. But come, let's check it out. Yeah, man, super excited about this deal. Listen, let me talk to you about this property, right? So the reason I got this property secured as the lease option agreement is basically the landlord bought this property in 2008. Anybody obviously knows, property trends. 2008 was what? Recession. So basically she bought it in the peak of the market, and now it's been 16 years and the property still hasn't gone up in value. In fact, it's gone down in value. Also as well, her rent is basically lower than her mortgage. So she's in massive negative equity. However, the property is in a phenomenal area. Let me show you around. Let me show you this. The property is so phenomenally placed and positioned, right? It's literally on the waterfront. So it's a phenomenal property. I'm going to be using this 2-bedroom flat as a service accommodation. And not only will I be able to pay her mortgage, I'll still be able to make £1,000 a month from a property that I don't own. And I'm going to push the value up when it comes to buying it in the next 6 years. We've agreed 6 years purchase lease option agreement. Come on! Ha! So listen, when I got started in property, rent to rent was my strategy, but I'm not someone who just literally, I get over the mountain. I'm not like, you know what? Rent to rent is it. I don't need to know anything else. No, I'm always a student. So guess what I did? I learned about lease options. I learned about BRRs. And this property is a typical example of a property that I've acquired because of my skill set on purchase lease option agreement. You see, this property was initially a rent-to-rent conversation, and I was able to listen to the landlord, find out why she's renting and why she's open to selling, and offer her a solution, which is a win-win for me and for her. And I've been able to secure this property as a purchase lease option agreement, £15,000 below the current value, right? Now, the reason why, and the way that I've been able to do that is because I've been able to not get one property from her as the lease option agreement, but to get multiple properties from her as a purchase lease option agreement. Those are the heads of terms going to my solicitor today, and within 4 weeks, this is going to be signed, sealed, and delivered. Probably by when you're looking at this video, it probably will be done already. But now it's vacant. I've got the keys. I've got the keys somewhere. I've got so many keys. I've got the keys, right? It's vacant. It's now about getting in, painting it, dressing it up, getting the tenants in, getting it booked, getting it listed, and start making some money. Listen, I'm just so excited about property. Why? Because I know that any one of you watching this video can, as long as you've got the right knowledge, most importantly, having the right mentor, having the right person next to you, holding your hands, and showing you how it gets done. Listen, if you want to get involved in deals like this, hit me up. Send a DM, come down to an event, let's connect, let's make this money. See you guys later. Peace out.